Hello, welcome to this webinar. Thank you for attending this new webinar for the beta tester program. As you know, you already have practice with the software. I was telling you that well, you have already tried these examples of the from the virtual classroom. Okay. User stress and strain diagram, the new thermal structural couple analysis, new tools for meshing, the deactivation of springs. Now we have, well, so I'll show you here, any entity can be activated or deactivated. Here you, for any material, which any of the material will be assigned to any structural element. You will have here always two parameters, which is to activate and deactivate any entity. Okay. And now we have a new capability, which are to do the same on here, springs. Okay. So you can activate them anytime or deactivate them as well to be activated from since the beginning or set a day. When we set the calendar time in the load case, always this time will take into account the defined activation times of any material. By default, all materials are activated since day 0 and they will never deactivate. But in case you play with and change these parameters, you can obtain you can perform a evolutive or a construction stage analysis. Okay. I will repeat again as we had some problems in the video sharing. Here, yes, after join the beta tester, download the software and learn the software through the different workshops and videos. You can, in order to enter the contest, please upload the examples, answer the beta tested quiz, and upload your final model. And here I will show you. These are the new sections which are available. Just perform these proposed examples. Just upload the model, the CF database. The final model, as you have 50,000 node limit for your models, I think it's big enough for your final model. And answer, it will be available soon as well, an easy basic beta tester quiz, which will just ask you some questions about the software, how to perform a typical calculation. The price for the we will select the winner according to all the deliveries of the students of this beta tester, and the winner will get a free training course, a 2-month expert license with no limit, including technical support. Okay. Yes. Well, back to the graphical user interface of CivilFEM. Some of you asked me about how to perform, besides the graphical user interface, how to use the Python scripts in case you want to automate some processes. Well, of course, first of all is to get used accustomed with the software. Here, geometry was created using just the surfaces. We had ruled surfaces, just the definition of a geometry, and here you can see, as you can, of course, some of you ask me if symmetry can be done. Of course, loads are symmetrical and loading is symmetric and geometry is symmetric. So some of you have performed symmetry in the model, and you just carry out a part of the model, not a partial model. Okay. What? So I think the geometry was already provided, so you just had to play with the here. The new capability was the new for the design stress and strain diagram. Besides the typical or the predefined diagrams according to the selected code or standard, which are the Eurocode or the AC code or any Chinese, Indian, or any code which is available here in the combo. Okay, you have now the new capability of defining new diagrams. Here we added two, a low dosage of fibers for reinforced concrete and a high dosage. To do this, we just set in this table a grid for the 28-day properties. You can select here and add new data for the strain and stress. Okay, well, I will select the 28-day, and here you have the behavior for compression and tension. This is for the one of the new diagrams, and this is the other one with the high dosage of fibers. Okay, and then this is only for the design diagram. For the analysis, it's a linear. You can always set a nonlinear behavior as well for the structural analysis, but in this case, we had performed cracking analysis, nonlinear cracking analysis in other examples. You can check our YouTube site, but as a new development, we want to show you that as well we can design according to codes to the different new stress and strain diagrams. Okay. Well, about the Python code, of course, everything that is done through the interface GUI, you can, if I want to show you Here, okay, you have these Python commands, which are explained in the help manual. If you open CivilFEM, there's in the menu, there's a GUI manual. Here you can check. There are many. This is the GUI manual, and as well you have the theory manual. And you can here always get some support and facilitate you the analysis. Okay, well, here I have another model. If you go, there's a model explained step by step here in the beta tester, which is here in the workshops. You have the cable state bridge. Sorry. Here, including a video. But explain you have some command which is creating the points. You can use do loops as well for any automated process. If you want to repeat, as here in the example, many of the entities can be repeated. We can just use a loop. Okay. Here's the material, which is the same as going here and define the material through the GUI. Here's the command for meshing, merging, create the creation of boundary conditions, load cases, and solve. Okay, if you activate here the script editor, you can place here your script and run it. If you have any errors, it will give you here the errors. Okay, I think we, in this case, just a model analysis was performed. Okay, you can get here the information of the model analysis, the frequencies, periods, participation factors, participating mass for each direction, or displacements and rotation for each degree of freedom. Okay, and if you just go through each okay, here you have. It's very useful to use Python scripts. If you have any, if you want more examples, of course you have here always the Python file for many of the work examples. But if you want more, we can provide you more examples. Okay. So that's it. It's our last weeks. If you have any question, please you can place your question now here through the this GoToMeeting tool, or you can use the form. This is one of the examples which is available in the beta tester exercises, which is the structural thermal couple analysis. And well, and this is the support email if you have any question. So thank you very much, and use the platform to upload your beta tester deliveries. Thank you very much.